The foothills of the central Sierra Nevada, northeast of Fresno, boast a wide diversity of native plant species. This area is also home to one of California's most beautiful and unique shrubs, Carpenteria californica. Carpenteria stands out from all of the other shrub species in the region. When you see it, you definitely know you're looking at something special. This rare endemic shrub is known from the central Sierra Nevada foothills northeast of the city of Fresno between 1,100 and 4,400 feet. Significant populations of Carpenteria occur in the Sierra National Forest and on the Black Mountain Preserve near the small town of Toll House. Found primarily in foothill chaparral, Carpenteria occurs most abundantly along streams, in draws, or next to granite outcrops where more moisture is available. Carpenteria can also be found growing on drier slopes, and regardless of microhabitat, these shrubs undergo severe wilting and yellowing in late summer but revive quickly after the first significant fall rains, often within a few days. This dramatic wilting and recovery is characteristic of bryophytes and lichens, but this degree of desiccation tolerance is unusual in vascular plants and is worthy of further study. Carpenteria is associated with a variety of more common native species, including flannelbush, Mariposa manzanita, chaparral whitethorn, western redbud, and birch leaf mountain mahogany. The distinctive features of Carpenteria set it apart from the other shrubs in the area. Let's take a closer look. Carpenteria is less than 3 meters tall and has many stems. Mature bushes have distinctive exfoliating bark. The leaves are glossy and dark green on the top or adaxial surface. The abaxial surface of the leaves is much paler and has prominent veins. The leaves are oblong and are oppositely arranged on the stem. The showy white flowers of Carpenteria have 5 to 8 petals and many yellow stamens. They are slightly fragrant and quite spectacular. Flowers are produced in loose clusters. Bees frequently visit the flowers, which produce abundant pollen but no nectar. Foraging bees must have a nearby nectar source to keep their energy up. Yerba santa and tincture plant are 2 of the plants used for this purpose. Carpenteria californica blooms from May through July, and after pollination, cone-shaped fruits develop. Inside the leathery capsules, up to 1,000 tiny red-brown seeds can be found. After a wildfire, Carpenteria regenerates by stump sprouting. By March of the following year, seedlings may emerge in vast numbers. The overwhelming majority of the seedlings do not survive, but those that do contribute to maintaining genetic variability, which is important in a rapidly changing climate. Carpenteria is a paleoendemic species, one that has a deep evolutionary history and was more widespread long ago when California received more rainfall. It is in the Hydrangeaceae family, and its closest relative is Philadelphus. With a very restricted range and features that are better suited for a wetter climate, it's hard to predict what the future holds for Carpenteria. Invasive non-native species like yellow star thistle and Italian thistle pose serious threats, as they can dominate burned or cleared landscapes where the tiny Carpenteria seedlings are most vulnerable. By protecting habitat and managing populations to maintain resilience to fire and other disturbances, both the Sierra National Forest and the Sierra Foothill Conservancy are actively participating in the conservation of this species. Carpenteria is also a popular horticultural plant. The cultivar Elizabeth bush-anemone is named after the well-known California botanist Elizabeth McClintock. Thanks for watching and learning more about Carpenteria, one of California's rarest and showiest endemic shrubs.